Oh, hey everybody. I think it's upside down. Well, this is the way I'm rolling. You know who this kid is? This kid right here?
We don't know.
Friend. I don't know his name, but we're going to call him Bobby Joe. And see this toilet? Yeah, it's really disgusting looking. I know. I'm really sorry.
Someone just crapped in it.
Yeah, and then we didn't flush for a long time. Well, this guy is going to go deep sea toilet fishing. Deep sea toilet fishing.
And he's our bait.
So let's drop him in.
Pull the handle.
Go.
Look at the handle. Aww.
Pull him back up.
Darn it.
He's all smelly.
No, let him go down further. Darn it. Just
Well,
wait.
just let it settle. We'll be right back after these new flashes. Back. Hope you liked our news flashes.
Yes.
Pull the big lever of steel.
He's down there, all right. I think we caught something brown-headed.
It's the man. Hey, friend.
Now,
Okay, that's the end of this episode. Well, bye. No mean comments. And my high ponytail is looking fab. This is Benjamin. Yeah, he likes Selena Gomez even though she's really ugly.
she's pretty.